Welcome this video cover patio decor idea on a budget, transforming your cover patio into a welcome style space. Do not have to break the bank with some create shop. You can create and invite outdoor retreat. Here are some budget friendly idea to enhance your cover patio decor. Plan your layout before divide into decor. Consider the size and layout of your patio. Define functionally zone such as switch down a long area. Use or type to outlay your space and varies the arrangement of furniture and decor elements. Plan you only purpose what your term need. Repurpose and upcycle. One of the most cost effective way to decoration is by repurposed image. You are also owning look area your home for furniture or decor that could find a new purpose outdoor. Turn an old wood log into the plant stood. Waterproof indoor furniture for patio use. Add affordable outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture can be spent, but budget friendly are available. Show a domain end of screen sale. Other for pallet furniture create soft table even long with patio and individual use. Foldable choice and table that are functionally affordable and easy to store. Incorporating soft vinyl. Textile can individual make your patio feel choosy and invite. Look for affordable like outdoor cushion palette. Mix the match color and palette for a lived look. Range. Choose dew, water resisting, even a second hard indoor range can water into covered space. Keep high weight, bring in the color even. Choose out covered stone or offline marketplace of budget friendly find. Create embracing with light. Good light set the mood for any outdoor space. Affordable solar light, those are dry, affordable, and can be placed in port or among highway. Sting light and theme among the edge of your patio roof is switch theme arrange burn of a magic effect. Canvas turn can or glass into unique light fix. Incorporating greenly. Plants break life into any space and are explain size away to decoration your patio. Pots, plants, mix and match size for bring. Vertical gardening. Build a simple structure with wood pallet or bring hard of flower. Succulent and low main interest plants. Those are perfect and by individual or those new of gardening. Personally, with decor, get create with homemade decor project that add personally to your space. Art wall, furniture, outdoor soft artwork, or create a gardening wall use waterproof material. Custom your pots with colorful design. Craft your owner use build shade old outdoor cottage. Make your owner from deep or affordable fiber to and a touch of elegance. Use natural elements. Natural material add a seamless charm to your patio. Consider incorporating wood access, reclaim wood coffee table or spring unit. Bamboo screen those provide privacy and tropical various. Hot of patio mark our part. Invite friends and family to help decor your patio. It's a fun a way to complement project quick and getting idea. Often for us a thank you for their effect. Stop smart and save. Mix your budget by shop statement. Choose of dollar stone of affordable decor image. Bring online marketplace like Facebook Marketplace or off up. Wait for salt or bring at home individual and stone. Thank you for watching this